guys, welcome back. Right now I'm in Sri Lanka and I want to teach you words that are gonna make you feel happy. The first one is 𝒂𝒅. 𝒂𝒅 in Russian means pleasure. Pleasure. Let's read it together. 𝒂𝒅. 𝒂𝒅. I hope you're gonna feel 𝒂𝒅 while watching this video. Drop a comment and let me know how do you feel right now. Please let me know which word makes you feel happy.
Eating.
Eating. Oh my gosh, eating in Russian is кушать. Кушать. How is it?
Delicious.
Let's repeat one more time. Кушать. Freedom. Свобода. Свобода. Guys, the next word is care. Care is забота. Забота. I hope you feel it as well. Care. Забота. Let's repeat one more time. Забота. Тебе нравится забота? I guess yeah. Как тебе? Очень хорошо. She feels great. She feels very good. Очень хорошо. Very good.
A kiss. Поцелуй. Поцелуй.
Look at this gorgeous lady. Wow. What's your name?
My name is Hannah. I'm sexy girl.
Very sexy. That's true. Anna, let me know which word makes you feel happy. Какое слово тебе доставляет удовольствие?
Шоколад.
Шоколад?
Шоколад.
Oh my gosh! Шоколад means chocolate. Let's repeat one more time. Шоколад. Шоколad. Amazing. Which one do you like? Do you like dark milk or white?
Dark.
Dark. Черный?
Черный.
Черный шоколад. Oh my gosh. Do you feel it? Do you see like how she's smiling? So she can say, мне нравится черный шоколад. Right?
Right.
Wedding in Russian is свадьба. Свадьба. Let's repeat together. Свадьба. Excellent, excellent. Wedding. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna make you feel very happy. So yeah, thank you very much. 𝒑𝒂𝒍𝒍. Katya, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Oh, I'm amazing. And please tell me, какое слово тебе доставляет удовольствие, счастье?
Orgasm.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing one. Orgasm in Russian means orgasm. Let's repeat one more time. In Russian, orgasm. Orgasm. Oh my gosh, you're the most, I would say, confident one. Thank you so much, guys. Amazing word. Guys, let me show you this beauty.
Beauty. Красота.
Secret place for you and me. My present for you. Guys, the next one is movement. Movement in Russian is
Движение.
let's take a look one more time, so it makes us happy. Движение. Движение.
Красотка, Марина.
Движение.
Вау, вот бейба.
A flight. Полет. Полет.
Let's move on to the next one. We have wave. In Russian is волна.
Волна.
Волна. Does it make you happy? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Shopping. 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 And you can say, мне нравится shopping.
О, все, теперь вы должны мне срочно...
Please let me know, Ilona, which word makes you feel happy?
Wine.
Wine, guys. Wine in Russian is вино. Вино. Let's repeat together. Мне нравится вино. Oh, I don't have wine, but let's bring this one. This is for you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's try it.
Amazing.
Amazing. You can say вкусно, вкусно, guys. Oh, I'm so happy.
Rhythm or beat. Ритм. Ритм.
Полина, let me know which word makes you feel happy.
Путешествие.
Wow, what a nice word. Путешествие means traveling. Travel. Путешествие. Let's repeat together.
Путешествие.
Oh, I really feel like that. Yes, it really makes me happy as well. Oh, and you can say мне нравится путешествие.
Мне нравится путешествие.
I really love traveling. Oh my gosh, amazing one.
А мне нравятся кокосы.
Oh, she likes coconuts. Please let me know which word makes you feel happy. Food. Oh, amazing. Food in Russian is еда. Еда.
Иди ко мне сюда.
Иди ко мне сюда. It means come to me. Let's repeat one more time. Еда. Oh my gosh, I really feel happiness right now.
Oh yes, I'm very happy.
Еда.
Fishing. Рыбалка. Рыбалка.
Илона, let me know which word makes you feel happy. Какое слово тебе доставляет удовольствие?
Деньги.
Very nice one. Деньги means money. And you can say, мне нравятся деньги. I like money, right?
I like money. Right.
Nature. Природа. Природа.
Nice. Let me know which word makes you feel happy.
Which words or
Which-
word?
You can say one, you can say many as you want.
Actually, love is the word which makes me feel happy.
Love. Let's repeat with me. Любовь. Любовь. Oh my gosh, I feel it. Let's repeat one more time. Любовь. Любовь.
What word can make you feel happy?
Oh, I really love dancing. When I'm dancing, I feel that my energy is like exploding, I would say. So dancing in Russian is танцы. Танцы.
So if I would
Dancing.
say just word dance, you would
Dance.
feel joy.
I will feel really pleasure, joy, excitement.
Very nice.
Ilona, which word makes you feel happy?
Душ. Shower.
Amazing. Let's repeat together. Душ. Душ. Let me turn it on, okay? 1 second, Ilona. Come here.
Oh yeah, I'm happy.
I'm happy too. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please drop a comment and let me know which word makes you feel happy, pleasure, and so yeah, can't wait to see your comments. Thank you.